Comparison Generation Tool. Welcome to PropMarker's Comparison Generation Tool, your ultimate guide to precision property comparisons. Let's dive right in. To start, simply navigate to our Comparison Generation Tool on the PropMarker website. Once you're there, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to make your property comparison journey a breeze. First up, let's input some key specifics about the property you're interested in comparing. Be sure to fill in details like the postcode, property type, bedroom count, and square footage for the most accurate results. Once you've entered all the necessary details, simply hit generate and watch as PropMarker works its magic. In just moments, you'll have a tailored list of comparable properties right in front of you. It provides 3 essential categories of comparables: sold, on-market, and rental properties. Feel free to explore each property to gather more information and make informed decisions. And there you have it. With PropMarker's Comparison Generation Tool, finding the perfect property match has never been easier.